Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Purple Butterfly 138. Today we will be opening these boxes from Amazon, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes and 1 package. So stay tuned so we can see what we have inside. So the package, I've already opened it because these packages are so hard to open. But the first thing we have in here is this Lash Baby serum. It's an eyelash and brow growth serum. And we have Envy Pros, and this is a natural breast enhancement cream. So I can't wait to try both of these out. And let's go get the first box. Okay, we have here a tripod. It has a remote and it has an adapter for the phone. Okay, and here we have irrigation kit. Okay, these are resistance body bands, and they have three resistant bands. What is this? Oh, these are emergency rain coats. I remember. They have a bonus backpack rain cover, and there are 10 in the pack. These are rain disposable ponchos, what they call them. And more resisting bands. I bought extras because I plan to do a giveaway. I'm still not sure which one I'm going to give away, so make sure to stay tuned. And then this is a stretching band, I think. They call it a dance stretch band. So that's it for this box. Let's move on to the next one. 3 more boxes to go. Okay, here we have maca root. I don't like it when they send packages without any written information. This is a spray. It's a blowout spray. It's supposed to reduce the blowout spray, I think, by 50%. So I'll try it and see if that works. Okay, look at what we have here. Kellogg's balls. And look at this one. Let's see if we can open it. I'm going to be doing reviews on most of these products, so if you're interested in more detailed information, make sure to subscribe. These are beautiful. And this is the Amethyst Roller and Gua Sha. Also got black seed oil pills. And this mask. It's a sleeping mask. To keep your mouth shut, I guess, so you won't snore. And some more of this ashwagandha powder. Okay, these are for the car. I'll make a demonstration on these later. And what is this? Okay, this is a rose water facial toner. I can't speak. And we have this to go along with the breast enhancement, but this one is from Envy Curve, and this is actually a butt enhancer. We have collagen gummies, and this one is Eye Renewal Face Serum. It's organic coffee. And we have a silicone facial cleaning brush. Some joy pills. We have some furniture pads. This is another lash and brow serum. Actually, I got 3 different kinds. I wanted to test them and see which one I get results on. And they're all different prices, so I will link them. And as I get results, you can choose which one you best like. I also got liquid black seed oil. The last thing we have in here is Biotin Hair Growth Serum. So I'm going to be using this one too pretty soon because my hair has been coming out like crazy. So let me open the next box. Okay, my baby just woke up, so if you hear baby noises, it's her. So let's open this box. We have 2 more to go, and then we are done. Okay. See, the first thing we have is Veggie Firm Natural Herbal Vaginal Thyme Pills. I guess these so I got both of these to work together on, and I will let you know if there's any results. I just have, well, I didn't have a baby recently. She's already a year, but you know, I wanted to try that and see. Not that I have problems, but let's see what it can do. We also have cocoa powder. Can never have too much of that. It tastes so good. And look what we got for my baby. These are stress balls. Well, like stress balls. They're slow rising squishy pandas. And we also have these low rising squishy deer. They're so relaxing when you're squishing them. Let me open one up and see. Oh, they're so soft. My baby wants it. Okay, well, let's hand it over to her and continue with the opening. Continue unboxing stuff. Did I do this one already? I don't remember if I did them. Okay, I have two. Probably about two. Okay. Well, there's that box, and we have one more box to go. Let's see what we got in the last box. Okay, and this is the last box. Okay, so if y'all been following my videos, my channel, y'all would know that I am starting a weight loss transformation or challenge, whatever you want to call it, and I've been getting exercise equipment to help me in my journey. This is a toning ring, and it's from Urban Fit. It's supposed to tone, sculpt, and strengthen core muscle while improving your flexibility, and it is light. Okay, we also have this organic sea buckthorn seed oil. Let me see, what is this? Selenium. And this is a hip band. Again, I got doubles of different kinds to see which ones I like, and also I will be doing giveaways on extras that I bought. So again, remember to subscribe and stay tuned for those giveaways when I announce them. And this is, let me see, take the tape off. This is how it comes packaged. The user manual. Oh, this is a big brush. And the roller is pretty heavy. Let me see if I can take it out. It's very pretty, luxurious. And then the 4 detox pads. Okay, a while ago I opened this one. Let me take it out and see. So I have the amethyst and the rose quartz. They're both very shiny and pretty. I have another one coming on its way, and I think it's another rose quartz. So I'll probably be doing a giveaway on one of these. I'm not sure which one yet. So let me know down in the comments which one you think I should give away. I will have a more detailed information on that once the other one arrives. Okay, well, that's it for the unboxing. Thank you guys for sticking with me to the end. I appreciate my subscribers, my viewers, and I hope you enjoy my videos, and talk to you next time. For more videos, please remember to subscribe.